Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I wanted to share something with you that I caught on my dash cam and why it's so important to have one and always be alert when you're driving, especially on the freeways. They come in handy, they really do, and it just shows the importance of having one in your vehicle. Like I would have one in every single vehicle you own, and you can get them for pretty cheap nowadays too. So let me go ahead and share what just happened. So this was a few months ago that I captured it. But like I said, it just goes to show that you should always have a dash cam. The main thing what I like about it is if you are involved in some kind of accident, it has proof. Nowadays, it'll be your word versus their word, whatever happens. This is a lot easier to deal with instead of fighting through people's insurance to try to get someone to cover something that they were to be the blame for. So again, always good to have. Mine I picked up for I think $59 when I got it, and it's been going strong for years. So they last a long time. But let me go ahead and share this with you. So I was getting on the freeway here, and there's going to be a pickup truck, pulling a trailer. And I noticed it had a ton of stuff in it. A ton of bags of stuff, kind of loaded higher than you probably should. If you see it right there getting on the freeway. So I don't ever like being behind cars like that, because you just never know. And sometimes debris falls out and all that stuff, and it's an easy way to get chips in your car and all that. So as I was driving on the freeway, I noticed some of that stuff was moving around when it got to highway speed. So I shot all the way over when it was clear to do so. You can see him here in the slow lane. So I'll get all the way over and then watch what happens. And this white car in front of me right now did a good job being alert and slamming on their brakes. You'll catch it really quick, but watch. That bag with debris just fell out right in the middle of the lane. And that car right behind it slammed their brakes on and went into the shoulder. And it happened really quick too. So again, it's good to stay alert. If you were looking down for 1 second, you would have hit that. I don't know what was in it. I'm assuming like yard waste, but that kind of stuff going 60 miles an hour can really damage your car and cause a major accident if you swerve and lose control, if it was raining, all that kind of stuff. So again, just wanted to share that with you. That was my experience. This thing's come in handy, just in the event of something does happen, you'll have proof. That's the main thing too. Like, who wants to fight with insurance companies? So again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. It's always better to be safe than sorry, of course. So if you don't have a dash cam, I'd recommend getting one. Like I said, I've only spent like $50. You don't have to break the bank to get one, and it does the job great as well. So again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. It'll help keep you guys safe. It really does in the event of an accident. Okay? Hope everyone's having a great day out there, and I'll catch you on the next one.